Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
The 21st juz of the Quran continues unveiling the grandeur of divine wisdom. It concludes Surah Ahzab and journeys through Surah Ahzab, Surah Luqman, Surah Sajdah, and the beginning of Surah Ahzab, each carrying profound lessons in faith, history, and human responsibility. Surah Ahzab reminds us that the world is fleeting, its struggles a test of perseverance. The command to establish prayer is reinforced, not just as a ritual, but as a means to distance oneself from indecency and wrongdoing. The surah exposes the stubbornness of disbelievers and the temporary nature of worldly pursuits, urging believers to anchor themselves in faith. Surah Ahzab then takes us into a prophecy that astounded every listener. The Roman Empire, which followed Christianity, suffered a humiliating defeat at the hands of the Persian Empire. The polytheists of Mecca mocked the Muslims, seeing this as a sign of their own superiority, since they, like the Persians, did not follow revealed scripture. But the Quran foretold that within a few years, the Romans would make a stunning comeback and triumph over the Persians. At the same time, the Muslims, enduring their own struggles against the Quraysh, celebrate a victory of their own, a sign not only of Allah's control over history, but also of the inevitable success of truth over falsehood. The surah also lays out unmistakable signs of Allah's power, the creation of humanity from dust, the harmony of spouses, the alteration of night and day, the cycle of rainfall, bringing forth life, and the order of the heavens and the earth. Each of these invites reflection. Who, if not Allah, could have designed such perfection? Surah Luqman shifts the focus to wisdom, both divine and human. The surah presents 4 undeniable proofs of Allah's power: the vast sky without pillars, the unshakable mountains, the diversity of creatures, and the rain that revives the earth. At its heart lies the wise counsel of Luqman to his son: never associate partners with Allah, for shirk is the gravest injustice. He reminds him that no deed, however small, escapes Allah's sight. He emphasizes the importance of prayer, commanding good and forbidding evil, patience in adversity, humility in conduct, and moderation in speech. The surah closes with a humbling truth. Only Allah holds knowledge of 5 things: when rain will fall, when the day of judgment will come, what lies within the room, where and when a person will die, and what they will earn tomorrow. Surah Sajdah returns to the greatness of the Quran, declaring it a revelation beyond doubt. It describes the stages of human creation, how a single drop evolves into a full-formed being, a testament to divine precision. The day of judgment is vividly portrayed. The guilty will be humbled in regret, wishing for another chance, while those who sacrifice for Allah will receive rewards beyond imagination. The surah also visits past revelations, affirming the Torah's guidance to Prophet Musa as part of the continuous chain of divine truth. Surah Ahzab opens by dismantling falsehoods from the era of ignorance. It corrects misconceptions. A person cannot have 2 hearts. Faith and disbelief cannot coexist. Merely uttering certain words does not render a wife forbidden forever, as Islam provides a means for atonement. An adoption, though virtuous, does not equate an adopted child to a biological one in matters of lineage and inheritance. The surah then introduces 2 great battles: the Battle of Ahzab and the conquest of Banu Qurayza, highlighting the trials and triumphs faced by the early Muslim community. The 21st juz is a reminder of the certainty of Allah's decree, the wisdom in His commands, and the unfolding of divine plans. Do we reflect on His signs, or do we turn away from them?